Hi there guys, in this video today, we're gonna go over financial accounts. Financial accounts is where you add and manage bank accounts or other financial accounts used in the back office for checks, payments, and account tracking. To begin, go to the setup, then click financial accounts, or you could use the smart search instead. Once the financial accounts page opens, click the plus sign to add a new account. The system will give you three options: blank check, pre-printed design, and other account. Let's start with blank check. Choose this option if you are printing checks using a blank check format. First, enter your business name or account, then enter the business address information. Next, enter the bank account information and the business bank or bank address. As you enter the information, the system will show you a preview so you can review how the check details will appear. If you have a specific image or logo, you can upload it here. After that, continue the bank account information section. Enter the bank code, opening balance if needed, routing number, and account number. Then enter the current check sequence. For example, if your current check number is 15, enter 15 so the system can continue from the correct check number. If this is the main bank account, you can turn on default bank option. This allows the bank to appear as the default option when creating checks. Next, add the signature. There are multiple ways to add a signature. You can upload a digital signature image from your computer. If you upload the wrong image or need to make a correction, you can remove the signature and upload it again. You can also use the QR code option. When you open the QR code, scan it with your mobile phone camera and sign directly from your phone. Once the signature is added and everything is reviewed, click Save. Now let's add a bank account using the pre-printed design option. Click Add, then choose pre-printed design. This option is used when you already have checks with pre-printed design. Here, enter the account name and opening balance, then enter the routing number and account number. If needed, enter any additional routing or check-related information in the fields provided. You can also choose whether to print the $sign on the checks. If the $sign option is turned on, the amount will show with the $sign. If it's turned off, the amount will show as a number instead. You can also add a signature for this account. Just like the blank option, you can upload the signature from your computer or use the QR code option to sign from your mobile phone. Once everything is completed, click Save. Now let's add Other Account. Click Add, then select the other account. This option is used for accounts that are not regular bank accounts. For example, you can add a credit card, charge card, line of card, or loan account. Enter the account name, then select the account type. After that, enter the business name and account number. Once the information is entered, click Save. That's how you set up financial accounts inside CronySoft's back office. Use blank checks if you are printing blank checks, pre-printed designs if you already have a pre-printed checks, or other accounts for credit cards, charge cards, line of cards, or loan account. Setting up financial accounts correctly helps back office manage check printing, account tracking, balances, and payment-related activity more accurately. And that's all for the financial accounts module inside the back office. I'll catch you guys in our next video.